All right, let's have a conversation about why you should not touch the boost button or the promote button on Facebook or Instagram. So let's go ahead and get to that. But before we do, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also that you like this video. And then make sure to hit that notification bell when you subscribe so that you can get notified for every time a new video goes live. If you are new to this channel, hello, my name is Alexandra Ramirez, and I am the owner of the Freedom Ad Agency, where we help a lot of entrepreneurs really scale their income and freedom through advertising. So let's go ahead and jump into this really quick subject of promoting or boosting on Instagram or Facebook. Now, what you've probably seen, especially on Instagram, you've probably seen a lot of, notifications that come up on your notifications on Instagram, where it basically just says, this post is doing 95% better than the other post. Do you want to promote it? And this actually happens on Facebook page too. I just know that a lot of people are not really utilizing their Facebook pages these days, and I don't either. It's perfectly fine, but they also want to get you to promote your posts over there too by doing what's called a boost. Now, the reason why they want you to do this is, let's be honest here, Mark Zuckerberg wants your money. Facebook, Instagram, these social media platforms, they want to utilize your money as much as possible. So this is why I always talk about how you have to be super strategic nowadays, especially in 2021, about how you are advertising. Because back in the day, if we're talking like 2014, 2015, when everybody was starting to get into advertising more on Facebook and it was just kind of starting to get a little bit more popular, a boost or promoting on your Instagram or a boost on your Facebook page used to do really super well for a lot of people, and it was fine. But nowadays we have big companies that are really utilizing advertising on social media platforms, when back in those days they didn't. They did a lot more commercials and all of that. But now we're in this space where we're using a lot more social media, and so big companies are starting to use advertising. And what that means for you as an advertiser of a business is that you have more competition, right? And so with that being said, you have to be super strategic in how you are advertising on Facebook and Instagram. So before you start clicking on that boost button and putting $30 on that post, or the same thing with Instagram and just trying to get a post to go out there, the reason why you don't want to do these things is because it's a waste of your money. You're not going to get much than maybe a few followers. And what you should be doing instead, more than anything else, is you need to be strategic on your plan on how you're going to get complete strangers to become clients for you. Because at the end of the day, when we're advertising, what do we want to do? What is our goal with advertising? It's not to get more followers on Instagram. It's not to get more followers on Facebook or to get more likes and comments. No. What we want to do is we want to get more people who are going to join our community and eventually become a client of ours, right? To become a really loyal fan of ours, okay? And we can't do that by boosting or promoting on our Facebook pages or our Instagram, okay? The way that boosting and promoting works, and this is why your objective when you are creating ads is actually really super important, okay? Now, when you are doing the boost button or the promote button on Instagram, what you are doing is you're telling Facebook, hey, or you're telling Instagram, hey, I want this post to go to as many people as possible. Whereas instead, what you should be doing is saying, hey, Facebook or Instagram, can you please get me more clients so I can actually make money off of what I'm spending with you guys? That's what you should be doing. Now, how do you truly get sales off of your ads, whether that's on Instagram or Facebook, because it's all on the same platform? The way that you do that is a couple of different things. Now, and this really depends on what type of business you have. If you have e-commerce, then you might need to look into some carousel type ads that get send people over to your, different products, okay? If you are a coach, which is a lot of our clients, then I would recommend that you start promoting a freebie of some kind, whether that's a 3-day challenge or a download of some kind, or like an automated funnel, which is a workshop, or like a live workshop, like a live webinar of some kind. Now, the way that you're gonna do this though is so you don't have to deal with the iOS 14 update that's kind of happening all over the place. I want you to take this video right here that I'm gonna put in the recommendations, and it'll completely get rid of everything that has to do with the iOS 14 update. I walk you through it step by step on how to set it up, and it's really super good. Not anyone else is talking about this type of ad out there, but it's super, super easy. So go ahead and check out that video so that you can set that up for yourself. But yeah, I think you have to be strategic on how you're going to get people to not only, you don't want them to like, you don't want them to comment. At the end of the day, we're trying to get sales, right? We're trying to get clients. So in order for us to do that, we have to be strategic. And I'm gonna keep saying that over and over again. So the next time that you're thinking about promoting or boosting, I want you to just let go of that, don't do it. Instead, I want you to start promoting an opt-in of some kind, promoting your products. How are you going to turn strangers into clients? Now, if you're wanting to just dip your toes into Facebook ads or Instagram ads, what I do recommend is that you go buy my $27 Facebook ads course. It's in the description below. If you're wanting to go full force into your Facebook ads, then I would definitely recommend to apply to work with my advertising agency, where all of the ads are done for you, and so that you can just be hands off with everything, and we can help you with not only the ads, but we'll also help you with the inside of the strategy a little bit, and showing you what does it look like in order to make sure that you turn a stranger into a high-paying client. So that's it for today's video. Do not promote, do not boost, let it go, use the ads manager, and go for it.